Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I am just going to let you guys watch me make my rose lip oil. So if you want to see how I did it, just keep on watching. Remember to subscribe, hit that bell to get notified every time I upload a video, like, comment, share, all that good stuff. I really appreciate it and it will help out my channel a lot. So I am just going to start off by saying this is not a tutorial. I am just letting you watch me make lip oils. That's pretty much it. And I just want you guys to watch me go through my whole small business journey. Hopefully, God willing, everything turns out. I have a few minor little setbacks, but everything is slowly coming together. And first things first is always sanitize, always wear gloves, and all that safety stuff. I just wanted to let you guys know here because I don't want to keep on explaining. Yeah, I'm sanitizing. I am wearing gloves. Obviously, you guys see it. You guys don't see me washing my hands because why would I, waste a little bit of a video just to wash my hands? Everybody knows how to wash hands. So I've been washing my hands, desanitizing. I have little wipes. I am disinfecting everything. I clean all my bottles. I clean literally everything, just to let you guys know. So anyways, let me stop talking and let you watch me make my lip oils.
Say something meaningful, say something I don't know. I wanna know you better. The way that you talk to me, the way that you make me feel, I don't know if you're real. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. And it's like you're untouchable. Like you're untouchable. Don't you know? You know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful. What are you doing to me? I think I'm going crazy. Oh, I just want you now. I wanna hold you close. Don't wanna take it slow. Oh, I just want you now. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Wanna put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. And it's like you're untouchable. Like you're untouchable. Don't you know? You know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful. Baby, you're beautiful. You're beautiful. Baby, you're beautiful. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night, all night. I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. always think of you when spring comes. Like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why. Always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat on my skin takes me back to the time met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of the club, playing soul on the weekends. Stayed in bed till Wednesday. Fell in love with you right there and then. I was young, couldn't see that. Leather jacket, though it's too cold. Saw your face in the crowd, and I think we loved eyes. Her just perfect, yeah, she's beautiful. Never thought you'd be here. It took me by surprise when I met you in the doorway. And a friend of a friend, never thought I would see you this soon, but hope she really loves you. 'Cause I swear you deserve everything. Wish that I knew that sooner. We got sober, it was over, but I told you I'd do it all over again. At your place over spring break, a heartache. I'd do it